is sent back. He was not allowed to enter Tirupati. So they don't have courage to fight with this Gunda Raj of YCP party. TDP doesn't have that guts. There is no strength remaining in Tirupati, this TDP party. And that is why the say, he came, he saw, he won. In Telugu, if I can say about that, about Chandrababu Naidu, he went away, he did not win. Aina vacharu, aina chusaru, aina velli poyaru. आए देखे और चले गए. But today, after TDP declared that we are not going to fight MPTC and ZPTC election because this rowdy party, हमको डर लगता है, हम लड़ेंगे नहीं इनके साथ. If you have seen film शोले, in शोले गब्बर सिंह क्या कह गया? जो डर गया समझो मर गया. And that is why TDP is gone. They are not ready to fight with YCP. And that is why this say, aina vacharu, aina chusaru, aina velli poyaru. Aina परुगेत्तारू, भाग गए, मैदान छोड़कर भाग गए. Who is there in ground? Who is there in field to fight with YSRCP? Only Pawan Kalyan Garu's Janasena and Narendra Modi Garu's Bharatiya Janata Party. We are there in field to fight with this evil. I challenge this ruling party. What do you feel about yourself? Land mafias, sand mafias, liquor mafias, in Sheshachalam, red sandalwood mafias, and there is an allegation, even hair mafias. कितने पापी लोग हैं, इन पर एलिगेशन आता है कि भक्त बेचारे बाल लाकर देते हैं, उसका भी स्मगलिंग होता है. And that is why, who is going to fight with these evils? Bharatiya Janata Party has got guts to fight these evils because we have shown in past who fight with Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mayawati's rowdyism in Uttar Pradesh. BJP fought. BJP defeated them, and now Yogi Raj is going on where there is no Gunda Raj. Gundas are going into jail. Who fought with the rowdyism of Lalu Prasad Yadav in Bihar, along with Nitish Kumar ji? Bharatiya Janata Party fought with Gunda Raj, Lalten Raj, Mafia Raj of Lalu Prasad Yadav in Bihar. We defeated them. And the Gunda Raj is over from Bihar. 25 years Gunda Raj, Commission Raj was there in Tripura. 25 years. Who finished that Gunda Raj? Mafia Raj from Tripura. Bharatiya Janata Party finished that Gunda Raj from Tripura. Uprooted CPM Gunda Raj from Tripura. And now there is Bharatiya Janata Party government. And now take it from me today. On 2nd May, when results will be out, you will see the Mafia Raj, Tola Baji Raj, Gunda Raj of Mamata Banerjee will be finished in West Bengal on 2nd of May. And that is why I am telling YCP Gundas of this state, BJP has got guts to fight with this Gunda Raj. Don't take us for granted. And when there is Janasena along with us, and when there is Pawan Kalyan Garu along with us, then the power is multiplied. And that is why only BJP Janasena is the only alternative for the state. Pawan Kalyan Garu has got some dreams about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh people, they have some dreams. Andhra Pradesh Janam Janardanalu. They have some dreams, but their dreams are not fulfilled. Their dreams are always being cheated, backstabbed by number of leaders of Congress, YCP, TDP, Venuput. Every time Venuput. N.T. Ramarao Garu was Bahubali. Somebody said that he was like Bahubali. I said, if M.T. Ramarao Garu was Bahubali, then who was Katappa जो पीछे से डाल दिया? वो ये चंद्राबाबू नायडू है। इस और वो उसको मैं हमेशा चंदा बाबू कहता हूँ, चंदा बाबू, डब्बुलू बाबू. So he also betrayed Andhra Pradesh people, and now Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is also betraying Andhra Pradesh people. There is no income for state. No income for state. Every day he is taking loan to pay freebies, मुफ्त में देने के लिए. Jagan Mohan Reddy doesn't have money in treasury to pay the salaries of state government employees. How he is going to run the state for 3.5 years without companies coming, without industries coming to state, paying taxes, giving money? From where he is going to get revenue? Only taking loans is not the procedure. And huge corruption, rampant corruption in the state. Narendra Modi Garu also has got some dreams about Andhra Pradesh. Narendra Modi Garu, Pawan Kalyan Garu, Somu Raju Garu, we all want to make this Andhra Rashtra a Bangar Andhra Rashtra, golden Andhra Rashtra. And this is only possible when Bharatiya Janata Party, Janasena government will come in this state. And for that, we all should work hard. हम सब लोगों ने चिमटा बहाना चाहिए, चिमटा. YCP party is going to distribute liquor during elections. YCP party is going to distribute money during elections. This Guru Murthy, he is a physiotherapist, very good, no problem, noble profession, and they give service to people, but not about Guru Murthy Garu. He provided his service, personal service to Chief Minister. So Chief Minister should pay him the fees, that's all. We can understand if a physiotherapist gives his treatment to Chief Minister, he should pay his fees. But instead of paying his fees, he has given him MP ticket, Member of Parliament ticket. So Member of Parliament ticket is given to whom? Jagana Sevak. Who is the candidate of YCP? Jagana Sevak is the candidate of YCP. And who is the candidate of BJP Janasena Alliance? Ratna Prabha Garu. What is Ratna Prabha Garu? Today all media should listen, and through media all Andhra Pradesh people should listen. And all Andhra Pradesh people should be proud of Ratna Prabha Garu. Why? Because she is the very first Chief Secretary of any state who belonged to a scheduled caste. The first Chief Secretary of any state who belonged to a scheduled caste community, and she is a lady. A scheduled caste lady becoming Chief Secretary of any state, it did not happen after 68 years of independence. And from our Andhra Pradesh, from scheduled caste community, Madhika community, one lady became Chief Secretary of a state. All Andhra Pradesh people should be proud of her. BJP has given ticket to Ratna Prabha Garu. And Janasena is supporting her. And what YCP has done? Jagana Sevak candidate, BJP Janasena candidate, Janam Sevak. Janam Janardhana Lucas Sevak. 37 years of service, she served people. She is a Janam Sevak. And Janam Sevak is BJP candidate, Jan Sena candidate. And Jagan Sevak is YCP candidate. And that is why people have to select between these two. And I am confident that Bharatiya Janata Party and Jana Sena candidate will become victorious. But for that, all of us should work hard in coming days. Tomorrow, our great hero Pawan Kalyan Garu is coming to Tirupati. So everyone, today itself, talk to all your friends, relatives staying in Tirupati area. Work hard. And every supporter of Pawan Kalyan Garu should come on street and to see and to say hi and to listen from Pawan Kalyan Garu tomorrow. It is your all Karyakartas of Kapu Sankshema Samiti and Sena Samiti. Sena and Jana Sena Karyakartas. It is our duty. We are going to gather. You also work hard to gather the people. No need of doing anything. Only give message that Pawan Kalyan Garu is coming. That is sufficient. It will be difficult for people to control the popularity of our leader. And that is why today I really thank all these Kapu Sankshema Sena, the Karyakartas leaders. I wish you all the best. And I hope that our dreams, whatever is our dream, that dream will be fulfilled only by Bharatiya Janata Party Jana Sena Alliance. And we are committed to fulfill dreams of Andhra Pradesh people. Again, one time, Jai Jaikar. Rendu Chetulu Pekatti, Gattiga Chepandi, Pawan Kalyan Gari Nayakatvam. Pawan Kalyan Gari Nayakatvam. Narendra Modi Gari Nayakatvam. Jai BJP Jan Sena. Jai BJP Jan Sena. Bharat Mata Ki. Yedukondelwada Venkatarmana. Govinda. To make you clear that Bharatiya Janata Party is a nationalist organization, and for Bharatiya Janata Party all castes are equal. We cannot talk about a particular caste because it is a nationalist party. Definitely our party believes in Hindutva, and when we say Hindutva, we are not at all against Christians, we are not at all against Muslims or any other way of worship. Our Hindutva means Sarve pi sukhina santu, Sarve sattu niramayaha, Sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhave. It means Narendra Modi ji says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. That is what Hindutva of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I am proud to tell you, my interactions with Pawan Kalyan Garu, we discussed hours, many times. And I can definitely tell you that in all South Indian states, if there is one single popular nationalist leader, other than Bharatiya Janata Party obviously, nationalist leader, if there is any one single popular nationalist leader in South India, he is Pawan Kalyan. And that is why really I like him, definitely I love him, and I know that crores of Andhra Pradesh people, apart from Kapu community, what I have found in Andhra Pradesh, across all communities, there is popularity of Pawan Kalyan Garu. Across all castes, they love Pawan Kalyan Garu. Of course, Kapus love more. That I can understand. understand. It is obvious. My dear brothers and sisters, we are heading for one by-election in Tirupati. And there are 3 parties majorly contesting for this by-election. I always say in Telugu, Andhra Pradesh రాష్ట్రంలో 2 రాష్ట్ర పార్టీలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటే టీడీపీ పార్టీ, రెండవది వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్టీ. ఈ 2 పార్టీలు అవినీతి పార్టీలే, 2 పార్టీలు కుటుంబం పార్టీలు. భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ మాత్రమే అవినీతి పార్టీ కాదు, కుటుంబం పార్టీ కాదు. అదే విధంగా జనసేన పార్టీ కూడా అవినీతి పార్టీ కాదు, కులతత్వ పార్టీ కాదు, कुटुंबम पार्टी का आंध्र प्रदेश राष्ट्र के स्टेट के 6 करोड़ नागरिकों के लिए ये गठबंधन है. वाईसीपी और टीडीपी ये दोनों दोंगालू पार्टियां हैं, दोंगालू पार्टी. Many times I have said that former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has committed so many crimes, corruptions. So whoever has committed corruption, one day will come that that person will have to be prosecuted. And the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is out on bail. आंध्र प्रदेश के अभी के मुख्यमंत्री बेल पर बाहर घूम रहे हैं. And that is why the leaders of YCP party should remember while talking or tweeting on social media that many of them are out on bail and anytime their bail can be cancelled. And that is why बहुत ज्यादा हवा में उड़ने की जरूरत नहीं. ज्यादा हवा में उड़ेंगे तो अत्तार इंटी की दारिड़ी में पवन कल्याण ने गाना गाया है, हवा में उड़ता जाए मेरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का. Don't try to fight with BJP, Janasena. If you try to fight, if you try to attack, if you try to show your rowdyism to Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena कार्यकर्ता लीडर्स, फैन भी हवा में उड़ जाएगा. और इनका कौन सा है? इनका कौन सा है? साइकिल तो इररिलेवेंट हो गई. सी साइकिल हैज बिकम इररिलेवेंट. देखिए, देयर इज ए से इन इंग्लिश, he came, he saw and he won.
నమ్మకమైన మీ ఆర్థిక నేస్తం భవితశ్రీ చిట్ ఫండ్స్. భవితశ్రీ చిట్స్ తో శ్రీకారం బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు సాకారం.